Hello and welcome to another video. This is a very short video. We actually had a Mitsubishi, it's a very long story. I might go into it after the video if you're interested. It's going to be a very short video. Basically, a customer's Evolution Mitsubishi Evo has been sold. So we've just given it a final blast and a bit of some videos so then I can post it on YouTube. So enjoy this 1-minute clip. The car is just nuts in it. It's nuts. It's so clean. It is like the perfect built Evo. It's about 95% finished. It didn't actually 100% get finished. It's just a long story. But yeah, that car basically we built it from a bare shell. We found a very clean, low mileage Evo 9 shell and rebuilt it with hand picked parts which we could find. We built it from a bare shell up, full nut and bolt restoration on the way up. And it's a cool car. Not necessarily a full nut and bolt restoration. Everything that was like all the subframes are done, all the anti-roll bars are done, all the bushes are done, all the nuts and bolts zinc plated. The hubs we couldn't strip because it was typical Evo rust. Couldn't strip the wheel bearings out, so they got left. The engine box is just as we took it out of the other car, straight in there, fully serviced obviously. So we haven't stripped the engine box. We've done fluid change throughout everything, full BC Racing suspension setup. We got a base alignment on it. We didn't go crazy on the alignment because we were playing around with wheels and ride height, so we never really got the base alignment done. But it's a good car, that, and it would have been cool for the channel, but it kind of happened. The project sort of started before I started YouTubing, so if I ever get anything like that in the future, I will probably film it. If we just zoom in on what is in the background here, so if you see this Alfa Romeo there, that Alfa Romeo 75, that is in for very, very similar work to what the Evo had, a full underbody restoration along with like painting the gearbox, fixing all the rust issues, whole new lines front to back. So I'm potentially going to film that if people are interested. Could be a good one. Obviously it's a customer's car, so I can't take too much time filming it, but yeah, that's the next one on the channel, guys, potentially. And obviously, as you know, we have the Honda project if you're interested. The Honda project is there and in full swing. And also, Johnny Mag, if you're watching, thanks for the trust and thanks for just letting us build that Evo. That is absolutely sick. It doesn't go unappreciated because that is sort of like a dream car build for pretty much any car, guys. So yeah, appreciate trusting the Colatech along with Mad Mechanics over in Rochdale as well. We built something pretty cool there, and obviously that 1-minute video sums it up. So yeah, cheers.